Are you tired of not getting the most out of your rental property? Do you want to learn the secrets to maximizing your rental income? Hi, I'm Don, and welcome to our real estate investing channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you some secret tips on how to maximize your rental property income. As a seasoned real estate investor myself, I've learned a lot of valuable lessons and tips that have helped me generate more rental income and increase my return on investment. In this video, I'll be sharing some of the best-kept secrets that have helped me become a successful real estate investor. You'll learn the key strategies and techniques for maximizing your rental income, from finding the right tenants to increasing your property's value. So, if you're ready to take your rental property income to the next level, make sure to watch this video until the end. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to stay updated on all my latest real estate investing tips and tricks. Let's get started. Resident-proof your property. Landlords can avoid the need to withdraw money from a security deposit for normal wear and tear by taking reasonable precautions. These measures should include explicitly prohibiting the installation of wall-mounted TVs in the lease agreement, installing door stops, securely fixing towel bars into studs, and choosing low-maintenance flooring instead of carpets. By implementing such preventive steps, landlords can minimize damage to their property caused by daily use, ultimately saving time and money in the long run. It is always prudent to take proactive measures to safeguard one's property. Crunch the numbers. Investing in rental property is not just about earning rental income, it's a long-term investment that should be evaluated accordingly. The key objective is to maximize the return on investment rather than rental income. Financing the purchase of a rental property with a loan can provide a higher return on investment, even if you have the funds available to buy it outright. In addition, landlords can opt for hard money loans to fund the renovation of their investment property. Unlike traditional financing options that have strict requirements, hard money loans are flexible and offer quick access to the necessary funds. Purchase the right insurance. To provide an added layer of security, it's wise to consider purchasing landlord liability insurance. A single lawsuit can quickly wipe out your profits and savings, making insurance coverage essential. In the unlikely event of legal action, a reliable insurance policy will provide legal representation and protect your assets. Additionally, consider switching to a structure-only insurance policy by contacting your insurance provider. Most homeowner policies include coverage for both the interior and exterior of the home. However, if you are renting to a tenant, there is little need to insure their personal belongings. By opting for a structure-only policy, you could save $25 to $50 per month, depending on your policy's terms and coverage. Carefully screen residents. Maximizing rental property income cannot be fully addressed without considering the importance of a thorough tenant screening process. Evicting problematic renters can be expensive, time-consuming, and stressful, but can be avoided by implementing a comprehensive screening process. Conducting criminal and eviction background checks, as well as credit checks, can provide valuable insight into a potential tenant's financial capabilities and rental history. Implementing these screening measures can help ensure that you find responsible tenants who will pay rent on time, take good care of your property, and save you from the costs and hassle of evicting problematic renters. Purchase a home warranty. When renting out your property, things will inevitably malfunction or break down at some point. However, by purchasing a home warranty, you can protect yourself financially from unexpected damages that have the potential to deplete your savings. A home warranty can provide coverage for a wide range of unexpected repairs and replacements, including electrical, plumbing, heating, and cooling systems, and appliances. In the event of a covered breakdown, you can avoid the high cost of repairs or replacements and instead pay a small service fee. By investing in a home warranty, landlords can rest easy knowing that unexpected repairs and replacements will be taken care of, avoiding the risk of a significant financial burden that could arise from a major repair or replacement. Thank you for watching my video on how to maximize rental property income. I hope you found the information shared in this video valuable and informative. If you're interested in learning more about real estate investing and how to maximize your rental property income, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to more exclusive tips, strategies, and insights that will help you achieve your financial goals. Plus, subscribing to my channel ensures that you never miss out on new content that I release. I'm committed to providing you with the most up-to-date and helpful information on real estate investing, and I look forward to sharing my expertise with you. So don't wait any longer. Hit the subscribe button now and join my community of successful real estate investors.